అనగానే కొట్టండి.
Hello, Namaste. I'm Vijayalakshmi, Counselor of Manojagati. Today, I have Dr. Geeta Challagaru with me to get details related to positive parenting course. Before starting the course, just I want to introduce few words about Dr. Geeta Challagaru. Geeta Challagaru, she is an eminent child psychologist. She's an RCA certified and RE and CBT therapist, and she's founder of Manojagati organization. She's doing lots of trainings and workshops for the welfare of needy people as and when needed. Now, today,
Yes. Thank you, Vijayalakshmi Garu, for introducing me. It was an honor for me. So as you said, we are going to talk about Spurti. Now I'm ready to talk about Spurti. I'm just, I'm open for your questions now.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. As a coordinator, I'm having a list of questions. Most of the parents who have asked me so many doubts, ma'am. So if you answer all these questions, it will be clarifying their doubts. Ma'am, what is Spurti, ma'am? Can you give some details regarding this?
See, basically Spurti, the name itself is telling us that it will give us some inspiration, some motivation to us. But through Spurti, we are targeting or we are looking at parents. Because as you know, parents generally, they feel so responsible. They feel very guilt sometimes. They feel so stressed sometimes. And they will be clueless sometimes. So we wanted to give that inspiration and motivation and that support to the parents. That's why the name by itself is called Spurti. This is Positive Parenting Training Program. Basically, Spurti is nothing but positive parenting training program, which is designed and developed for the parents.
Then one of the parents, they asked me, why it is positive parenting?
Why it is positive? Why it is positive parenting? It's a beautiful question. Why we are using the word positive? Because as we know, parenting is parenting. Everybody, since ages, parents are rearing the children. Parenting is going on. It's not a new thing. Now today, we didn't become parent. It's been happening through ages and it will happen in future also. But there is a difference between normal parenting and a positive parenting. The parent who is trained, who knows the positive parenting techniques, will be very neutral, not reactive, and take care of herself or himself and the children also. So we just chose the word positive parenting because the techniques in Spurti will really talk about all the positive parenting techniques.
Why Spurti and how you got this idea?
So again, see, because it was there before also, but since 2 years, it's more tougher. Parenting by itself is a tough job, but now because of Corona, because of pandemic, and because of this unexpected situation, parents don't know how to handle the children. Basically, parents don't know how to handle their own emotions, and parents don't know how to handle the emotions of others. So, and one more thing, there are so many issues coming up with children. See, previously the only issues were concentration, memory issues are there, writing issues are there. But nowadays, the issues are very strange. Addiction to internet, addiction to porn, and addiction to other things, subjects. And they are not able to control their emotions. They are coming up with, young kids, they come, ma'am, I cannot, manage my stress. I'm not able to tolerate. See, there are so many issues running around the children. And it is not the youth, it is not the adolescent, it is small children. 3 years, 4 years kids also coming up and telling that I'm not feeling good. So this was a time where we started thinking that this is the right time to talk about parenting, to train the parents, to really help them to support the children. Because parents play a basic role or a very important role in the life of a child. So we thought by training the parents, we will be reaching the future of this nation. That's a basic reason behind this positive parenting training.
Yeah, well explained. Ma'am, actually, what do you cover in this course?
If you ask me A to Z, I say A to Z means everything about parenting. We start with generally we talk about expectations. What do they expect in the training program? And we try to, make a list of it basically. And then we talk about styles of parenting and parenting as a responsibility, how parenting can be a role model, how a parent can expose the child where he can expose, how the child can explore. And we talk about life skills, we talk about communication skills, we talk about stress, managing the stress in the child and also managing the stress of a parent. And we actually focus more on girl safety also in this. And if boys are there or girls also, behavior management techniques, we talk about punishment, we talk discipline, we talk whatnot. So that's why Vijayalakshmi Garu, I said A to Z, everything is covered. And we are open actually. It's only 20 topics we say, but we are open for the parents, whichever topic they come with, I'm ready to share. If it is in my, circle.
I also heard that the way you carry on the course is very interesting, mostly practically oriented.
Yes. See, because again, parents do not have that much patience to sit and listen to me. I know that, I understand. So I assure and I promise that this training program is completely practical and a lot of role plays will be there. A lot of case studies will be there. And we use images, pictures and videos, and we make it very live so that it is actually, the techniques are so easy and functional that they can directly, apply into their day-to-day life. So we make it very interactive, Andy. We make it very interactive and very live. That is, parent-friendly training program.
Okay, thank you. One more question. Can you give any previous experiences of parents?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. We have done many batches. We have done many batches in like this positive parenting 40 hours program. Other than that, actually in 2-3 summers before this Corona, there was a chance for us to reach out to 40,000 parents. Huge parents were, targeted, and we traveled across Andhra and Telangana, where we trained 40,000 parents in 2 summers. So that gave us insight that there is a requirement, there is a need, but parents are not coming out because of multiple reasons. But this video should help them understand and motivate them to come and learn, because it is helping, really it is helping. It is giving good results. 40 hours of time, but it's a lifetime investment.
Absolutely. Who are will be eligible for this course?
Generally, people think that if I'm a parent, I can attend the parenting training. But I would say that caretakers also can attend this training program. Parents also can attend. And teachers also can attend, because they will be dealing with the parents. So teachers can also attend this training program so that they can help the parents in turn, so that the actual child will get benefit. And one more category of people is counselors or psychologists or practicing, counselors who will be, meeting many parents. Kids will come. Special educators also can come for this program, because the techniques which we teach, they can use in their therapy. They can use in their sessions. So parents can come, therapists can come, counselors can come, teachers also can attend this program. And we cater to all the needs of them. We will be, our Teaching methodology will focus all of them.
When will the course be starting?
3rd of December. 3rd of December it is starting. We are just approaching, I think 3 days left, but it will be weekly twice. The program will be weekly twice. Yeah, we have little flexibility for the parents also. So morning or evening batch, we are thinking of evening batch basically, because morning parents are busy. So we are trying to keep in the evening after school hours. It is generally 4 to 6. 4 to 6.
So how to register for this course?
Very simple. In the description box below, we have given the Google link, Google form link. So they can just click it. Very few questions are there. Your contact number and all those stuff, and you can fill your details, and then you can join the course.
Then can we have fees?
When you ask Vijayalakshmi Garu about the fees, I just want to talk a little bit before I say the fees. This is 40 hours program. We are spending complete 40 hours quality time I'm personally, I'm there. I'm a child psychologist and my expert counselors are there. Now, I just wanted to talk, I just remember when we are talking about fees, I look at it as an investment. It is an investment. It will give you results. It will give you something back in future, number one. It is not something you're paying, you're investing, number one. And number two, one pizza. You order pizza, almost 1,000 rupees. Nowadays, it's more than that. Or KFC you order, a biryani you order, whatever, small things we are spending, they are crossing thousands of rupees. And we are spending this money for children to make them happy, to keep them happy. But this fee, which we are charging, the 10,000 rupees, is an investment which will give you lifetime returns. It is worth spending this money for a lifetime of a child. Not this 1 year, not this 2 years. So it's 10,000 rupees.
So knowledge never go waste.
One more thing I want to add is, if you register, mother and father can listen. It's not one person, but we don't allow 2 windows, 2 logins. One login, 2 people can listen in one window. That is allowed.
So, few parents, they have language concerns.
I know. So I know that, you love to listen in your native language, Telugu and English. So we use Telugu and English both, but basically we use English. English is there when we are explaining, but we also talk in Telugu for the Telugu people, but it is not, we are not, making both together. So we have breakout room system. Breakout room is after we explain the basic, concept, we break Telugu and English speaking parents separate. And Telugu speaking will have one person to guide, facilitate, and English also one. So don't worry about language. English people will be, justified, and Telugu also will be done. So we can count it as Telugu and English. And I can also speak in Hindi. If you are only Hindi speaking, you can ask me to explain in Hindi also. English will be explained in the, complete concept is in English.
The way you have explained, it will answer most of the parents' doubts, ma'am. Really, thank you.
Yeah, so we look forward for the parents. Now, I want you people to please watch this video again and again so that you understand why this Spurti, why this training program, for whom we are conducting. 40 hours of my time, 40 hours of my counselor's time we are giving you. It means so much you learn from us. And being a good parent, there is a difference between being a good parent, being a great parent. So I want to see all of you as a great parents. Great parents shaping the life of your child, great, not good. Good is different. Many people can be good, but I want to see you and your kids as a great people. So just looking forward to see you. Nothing to say. Yes, thank you so much. And thank you, Vijay Lakshmi Garu, for really asking many questions to me. And we look forward to see you all in Spurti. In the description box below, you have the link. Please click and, log in. Thank you so much. Namaste.